James Cruse. I'm a pin master, one of the partners of Central City BBQ in downtown New Orleans. Tenderloin. This is a Smithfield product. You can get it at Walmart, most of your grocery stores. The one I'm cooking today is a roasted garlic and herb. I find they lack a little seasoning. That's why I like a little blues hog, bold and beefy. We're gonna add that over the top of it. All right, so what I'm gonna do with this thing is, I'm gonna throw them on a grill. I'm not cooking this thing in like a sauce or anything. I'm seasoning it with like a steak flavor, and we're gonna treat it like a steak. All right, 132, that's good enough. Who wants some hot ones?